Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a project share. This is my first DT project for Craft&You Design, and I created step-by-step video tutorial for this card, and if you want to see it, you will be able to see it on the YouTube channel, which I'm going to link below the video. So I hope you will watch that video, step-by-step video tutorial on Craft&You Design YouTube channel, and comment below so I can see exactly what do you think about this project and about this composition and collection. So let me show you what I used first, and then I will talk more about this project. So I used this Creative Craft set. This one is a set of elements to fussy cut, and I use the same collection. So the collection is called World of Man, and if you remember, I did a DT pack unboxing and I showed you this collection in details, all the papers and everything. And for this project I also use those two sets. This one is set of tags, and I use the biggest one to create, as you can see on this card, a longer looking tag. So you will see everything on that video tutorial. And then I use this film strip and I did exactly the same. I made it a bit longer and I hide the joints on my cards, so you will be able to see how to create that. So as you can see, this card is a DL size and it has multiple layers. Of course, I use a lot of 3D foam pads, and I added scissors and I added some Nuvo drops as well, just to give more interest to this card. I've got this long tag, as you can see. I created a nice composition with those foliage from that set to fussy cut. And as you can see, there are lots of beautiful elements and I just love this set. And as you can see, that's the foliage. So my card has, as I said, multiple layers, and if you want to see step-by-step tutorial for this card, go over to Craft&You Design YouTube channel, which I'm going to link below the video. I also created this box. Actually, I didn't create it, I just put the box together because I get them flat online, and this card goes in, and look at this. It's such a beautiful way to give something to someone, and this box is just perfect for multi-layered cards. So I hope you like this project, and please go over to Craft&You Design YouTube channel and comment below that video as well if you want to see how I created this card. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel so you're not going to miss any new upcoming videos. So thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.